Hey guys, we're going to take a look at building a formula that can capture a range. So for example, if you want the number to fall between 5 and 7, then we want that if statement to say it's true. But if it's outside of that range, we want it to produce the false result. So this was inspired by Jamie. Thank you for that. We're going to take a look at how to build this formula. So we are going to start by creating our if statement. If, and here's our syntax, if condition, comma true, comma false. And we're going to use the number 1 if it's true and the number 3 if it's false. And the condition, we're going to start with our parent quantity. Now, we want to say, let's say it's between 5 and 7. We're going to need to basically use the two qualifiers. And we're going to use this and statement here at the bottom, which is going to ask for an additional criteria. So we're going to start by saying if this parent quantity is greater than or equal to 5, then say it's true, which it'll show number 1, or it'll say the quantity is 3 if it's false. So this is 4. Okay, so it's false. We're getting the number 3. If we type in 6, it's true. So we're getting the number 1. Now, we need a second criteria, but we'll need both criteria to be accurate. So we will then use the and statement, and then we'll do it again. The parent quantity is less than or equal to, and we'll say the number 7. Okay, so let's test it out. Okay, it is less than 7 and larger than 5. So we're getting the true response, number 1. If we type in 3, it is wrong. If we type in 30, 365, also 3 because it's larger than 7. If we type in 7, it's true because we use less than or equal to. Type in 7.1, and it's false. We're getting that false number. So that's how you build a formula to look at a range of numbers to produce the true or false statement.